Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are we're going to be making our cotton candy twist soap that has discolored on us due to the fragrance. We're going to just make this into a whole nother soap. But first I have to cut it. I have to cut all of this off, and when I cut it, it's gonna look like this. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Then, after I cut it in those little slices, then I will be cleaning up the sides like so to get it all smooth. Cutting little boxes and cutting like the like this stuff. Yeah, we don't want that inside of our soap. So I'm just gonna show y'all how I did it with this one. So make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And if you're not new, hey boo. Hold on, y'all. Getting a call. So I'm just going to, yeah, those go over here. So we have 3 pails here. This is soap I cleaned up. These are scraps. That's soap I didn't clean up. So we have it here. We're gonna take our soap cutter and go down. These bars are about 8 months old. Okay, so by it being 8 months old, when we cut it, then that comes on. So I take my soap slicer, handheld soap slicer, and I kind of just get those raggedy bad ends off. Okay, so I am going to make a cotton candy twist soap out of these. It will be the same fragrance, but I will be using TD, titanium dioxide, to keep the color of my soap. Then I go on and clean up the sides a little bit, like so. What's wrong? Give me 1 second, please. So I clean it up like this. Okay, y'all, so this is how this piece came out, and I just kind of molded into what I really want it to be. And you see how I cleaned them ends all up, girlfriend. Yes. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna just do it like this, and it will leave gaps, but at least I have a smooth surface to work with. I'm gonna cut this off because I really don't want that part in my soap. So scoot it over to the side and continue to like clean up your sides, whatever is, you know, not precise. So with this part, I'm gonna just fix it. Okay, you just push some soap in there and you rub it in like so. Okay, and that's how it will look. So I'm gonna put that one over here, and we're gonna start another one. This part, this soap scraper just helps so much with that. And then I'm gonna cut this part off. You see how discolored is so bad, y'all, so bad. I feel bad even trying to sell the soap like that. It still have its scent. It held its scent really well, I must say that, but I just don't like the how the soap itself is looking. So I would just like to clean it up and make another soap using this. So once again, we have like little gaps that we don't want in there because I feel like it will take away from the finished bar. And I'm just gonna rub that in. So y'all, this is what I will be working on for the next couple of days because I need these inside my soap. And I really don't know the design that I'm gonna do yet. Comment down below, what design do y'all think I should do with this soap? So let's see how it would look with us using our potato peeler. See, it's like, it's not as precise. What's that, iced coffee or hot coffee?
It's ice.
I thought you was making hot coffee.
I'm making you both.
Okay, so now we have this. Okay, so we're gonna cut this off. We don't like that. We really don't like how that looks, so cut that off, y'all. And then we have our opening little space right here. We want to move some soap in there to make our bars really precise. So it's not as hard as you would think with it being 8 months old, but it's a really lovely bar. It's very bubbly, conditioning to your skin, y'all. And I'm like, I can't let this bar go to waste. I don't like how that look. It caught my eye. So I just cut that off. Clean it up like that. Y'all, by being a small business owner, you have to watch what you put on your social media sites because it's a lot of copycats. People will copy your technique, you know, and try to do the things you do to mimic who you are. But you are unique. You are unique in your own way. And can't nobody mimic something that's unique. So my mom, she's always worried that okay, I'm recording a video. So she's always very weary that someone may steal some of my techniques, you know. But I mean, it's okay. You know, it's okay because I'm unique. I only show what I want you guys to know. That is actually one reason I don't show me filling up my oils and butters. I will film me making my soap. But I don't film my oils and butters because that's just something is for me, okay? But you know, it's a free world. The world is so full of technology. Everyone is gonna find out everything one day anyway. So just stick to what you're doing and be honest to yourself and do what make your business strive and thrive for you. Okay? Do what makes your business strive and thrive for you. So I'm about to finish cleaning up these soaps. And yeah, I just want to come on here and show y'all my quick little project. It's not really quick, but I want to show y'all what I was working on next, okay? So I hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful Christmas, okay? Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, y'all. This is real life. I'm not really going to edit this video much because it's not really much to edit out. You know, this is natural styles of life for a reason. It's not to be edited. It's the natural style. So, this is what it is. But yeah. Thank you guys for all my new subscribers. Thank you for your support. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, I believe we can do it. Turn my ring off. Turn my ring off. People act like, if you clearly see that your call has been forwarded to voicemail, why are you calling back, my love? Don't call back. Yeah, y'all hear my kids in the background. They are on winter break. But like I said, I still got to do what I got to do. I can't. I feel like I let motherhood stop a lot. You know, I sacrificed a lot by me being a mother of 6 and a mother of mostly boys. I have 5 boys and 1 girl, and she's the oldest. So that's who you hear bossing the boys around. You know, she got to keep the boys in line. The boys like to fight with each other, y'all. So, but yeah. Thank you for listening to me rant. Let me know. Comment down below. Do any of my subscribers, soapscribers, have any kids? What are the age ranges? Like, what do they be doing? Like, my kids sit here and argue. No, that's my mom. No, that's my mom. No, we ate that. No, no, no. Okay, thank you. So this is my oldest coming in. She was cleaning up the bathroom for her mom because these boys really don't care nothing about bathroom duties. And yeah, like, y'all, when I turn around, I've been and cleaned up something, y'all. I'll come upstairs for 3, 4, let me just say like 15 minutes. When I go back down them stairs, y'all, baby, it look like who, why, where, what, and when did this happen. It's crazy. But it's cool. It's just because we in a small space right now. But we will be in something bigger very soon. You know, we will be in our big house. Everyone have their own space. Especially me, y'all. I need my space for my soap. I really enjoy doing my soap. Okay, here I come. Alright, y'all. My coffee is here. And I'm about to let y'all go. I will bring y'all on this journey of this soap remake so y'all can see. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel so that y'all can look at that. Yeah, they having a hollering contest. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel so that y'all can see when I post this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate every one of you. Bye.